1.0, 2.0, 3.0 doesn't really matter, because it is the same government with the same continuity in policies. And therefore, we took stock of what we had covered in the initial books. And I know Anirban suggested this is the last. I don't think it is. By the time Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and Anirban are done, there will be 30 volumes, Modi 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, going on up to Modi 30.0. So we took stock of what we had covered and what we had not covered. And we discovered that we had not really talked about security. The word security means all kinds of different things to different people. There is a broad notion of security, there is a narrow notion of security. In a broad notion of security, in a broad definition of security, economic security is also part of security. But we wanted to have a book on security because the reason we started with all of these books is, look, the government is doing a lot of things, but these are not normally disseminated. People don't read about them, and people therefore criticize the government, saying the government is not doing anything, which is not quite true. And I mean analytical descriptive pieces, not mere dashboards. So we actually conceived the book before the COVID pandemic. We conceived it because, as I said, whether it was 1.0, 2.0 didn't really matter. We conceived the book, I think, sometime in the middle of 2019. But we wanted to make it clear that this was security narrowly defined. And we thought one of the best ways of doing that, before we even identified the authors, identified the subjects, was to identify the publisher.